Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up an email account and connect it to Apollo.io. This integration is essential for sending outreach emails directly through Apollo, making your sales and prospecting workflow much more streamlined and efficient. Let's get started with the process. First, you'll need to open a new browser tab and type in apollo.io in your address bar. This will take you straight to the Apollo website. Once the page loads, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen where you'll see a login button. Go ahead and click on it to access your account. After entering your credentials and logging in, you'll be redirected to the Apollo dashboard, which serves as your central hub for all prospecting and outreach activities. Now that you're in the Apollo dashboard, it's time to navigate to the settings where you can connect your email account. Look over to your left navigation menu. This is where all your main tools and options are located. Scroll down toward the bottom of this menu until you find the Admin Settings option. Click on it and an expanded menu will appear with additional configuration options. From this expanded menu, select all settings to access the full range of account customization features. You'll now be on the All Settings page, which gives you control over various aspects of your Apollo account. Focus your attention back on the left side menu once again. Here you'll find a specific section labeled Mailboxes. Click on Mailboxes to proceed. This is the dedicated area where you can add and configure your email accounts for use within Apollo. The setup process from this point is refreshingly straightforward and user-friendly. Once you're in the Mailboxes section, you'll see a list of popular email providers that Apollo supports. These might include options like Gmail, Outlook, or other common email services. Click on the email provider that matches the account you want to connect. Before proceeding further, you'll be presented with the terms of service for connecting your email through Apollo. It's important to read through these terms to understand how your data will be handled and what permissions you're granting. If you agree with the terms, check the box to confirm your acceptance. After that, click on the Link Mailbox button to move forward. At this stage, you'll be prompted to log in with your email account credentials. Simply enter your email address and password as you normally would when accessing your email. Apollo will securely authenticate your account and establish the connection. This process typically takes just a few moments, and once completed, your email account will be fully integrated with Apollo, allowing you to send personalized outreach campaigns directly from the platform. And that's it. You've successfully connected your email account to Apollo.io. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.